Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Red Rock Crawlers. My name is Jensen. This week we're going to be installing some rock lights on the Jeep. So I picked these rock lights up from my friend Dean over at Code for LED Supply. He's got all kinds of lights, light bars, light pods, rock lights, lots of different options. So if you need lights for your Jeep, go check him out. Code4LEDsupply.com. I put together a night run every year at Easter Jeep Safari.
Now that's just plumb crazy.
Nice work. Woo! Woo! And it's just a fun group of friends that get together. Just go out there, in the dark, and just to add a little bit of an extra fun factor to it. He is on his side.
They wrote that song Blue Toyota after?
We go out there in the dark, and it is a lot of fun. It completely changes the trail. If you've never gone night wheeling before, I highly recommend it. But go on a trail that you know well, because it's pretty easy to get turned around.
We're gonna get a bunch of guys with a strap. Oh, excuse me. And pull them back over.
So you get the light pod itself, and then there's a couple of different backing. They're rubber. It's a rubber backing plate. But it just kind of houses the wire. So you see on the back of the housing here, the wire kind of sticks out in a funny angle. So this just allows you to put the wire in there and make a flush, mounting point. So this one is for a flat surface, and then you got one that will work on a like a roll bar, I guess, or a curved surface. This is the central hub here, so that's where all the wires get plugged into. So that's your connection, and it just threads on, and there's a waterproof seal there. You get 8 of them with the package, and then I picked myself up some aluminum angle iron. I might make myself a couple of brackets out of that to mount these lights. Everything is going to get wired into my Strikeforce Zebra Central Command. I love it because it makes wiring added powered accessories really easy. All right, so on the front, I'm going to mount, I think I'm going to mount the front ones right here off of this bash bar. So I'm just going to make a little L bracket, and I'll put 2 of them, one on each side, up here. I'm going to probably do one light right here. I'm not quite sure where to put this one yet. I might put it like right here on the actual body, because that's not going to get hit. Again, I'll hit, either the control arm bracket or the sliders or something before I hit the body here. I'm going to put the last one right here on the frame rail again. I'm not quite sure how to do that yet. I might put it on the side. Anyway, I'm going to somewhere right around here, and that will kind of light up the back of the Jeep. So I've got the first light, it's just kind of dangling down here. That's where I'm going to put that light back there, and then I just ran the wire all along the frame here, just kind of next to this other wiring loom. Ran it all along above the gas tank. Duncan's down there helping me fix some stuff right now. And then I just ran the cable, or the wire, up through the drain plug in the floor, and then that'll give me enough room to wire it into my central hub that I think I'll put behind the glove box here somewhere. So right now I'm just working on feeding the lights to the locations I want them. I haven't mounted anything yet, so just kind of getting them in position where I'm going to want them, and then we'll worry about mounting them. Just cut myself a little crosshairs in the drain plug, and then I just push the wire up through that So that's kind of what I've been doing. And that way the drain plug's still in place and it'll keep most of the water out from underneath, and then I can still pull it if I need to. So yeah, that's the hole there in the floor. And I just push the wire through that, and then I'm just gonna run underneath the carpet, underneath the floor, up to the glove box. There we go. Pull it up through that drain plug. And we'll feed that in. One light left to put in, but I ran into a little bit of an issue because the hardware that I bought was not fitting in the little mounting points. They were too big, so I got the right hardware, stainless steel, so they won't rust. Let's get these suckers installed. Alright, let's get this other side done. Okay, we are just about there. We just have to do these last two lights. I've got the holes drilled. Makes a huge difference when you have the right tools, and let me tell you, my goodness. Now we just got to go around and zip tie all the lines so they're secure and they're not flopping around because they're just loose right now. So let's go get those zip tied. My head's going to be really close to the camera. Okay, so we're going to wire the main power into my Strikeforce Zebra central command. So I just ran my wire through the firewall. When I installed the Strikeforce Zebra box, it actually has you run a plug through the firewall, and all your wires run through there. So it actually is perfect because I can just fit this right through that, and then I'm running this wire down along the inside of the firewall over to the main wireless control hub. So really all I have to do is ground that side over there. I'll probably just ground it to one of the bolts near the door or something like that. I just have to pinch this on. I don't know if you can see that, but so all of these plugs come with the central command unit from Strikeforce Zebra. So you just have to plug this on, crimp it and heat shrink it, and then you just plug it into the box, and it's already wired to my switches inside. So super easy. Okay, the lights are in. We're all done. Everything's bolted. All the lines are secured. Let's go test them out. just got to give a huge thanks to Dean over at Code 4 LED Supply for hooking me up with these lights. I got them all done just in time for Jeep Safari. I leave in a week tonight. So check these out, they're pretty cool. You can control everything on your phone. So right now this is the white setting. There's blue, oops, there's blue, there's green, there's red, there's yellow, there's purple, there's all kinds of options. I've got annoying strobe. It's crazy. It can just change between all the colors. You can have it kind of blend between all the colors. I made my wife a Christmas theme, green and red. She'll like that. But they look pretty good. Got everything mounted up. Lights up underneath the Jeep really good. So it's gonna come in real handy for those rock trails at night. I've got a few shadows, like right here in the middle is a little dark, but oh well. I'm more concerned about the tires, being able to see what's around the tires, etc. Pretty awesome. Thanks again, Dean. We'll see you in Moab.